How can you trust him?
He's always been my friend.
Yeah, right. You know the rules, Kane. Remember? Or have you taken too many bumps in your fucking head?
Look, he knows where the brothers are. End of story.
I think you're losing your focus, old man. So did DARPA.
I don't give a shit about DARPA. He's so fucking greedy, we're probably better off without him.
Shit. I hate all this walking.
Well, Carlos says this is the safest way in.
What, we're taking orders from that prick now?
So, this is it?
Yeah. You see the hacienda up at the end? That's where the brothers stay.
Looks more like a boot camp to me.
Well, you know how they are.
Big airfield. Trafficking from here too?
Of course, but very low-key.
No radios?
No, none at all. Only alarm flares to worry about. If we can get in the valley without any going off, we'll have a chance to get to the brothers.
Oh, very nice. But where's our payment in all this? We're not leaving empty-handed again.
There's tons of heroin in the village. You can pick up as much as you can. Just help us get into the valley and make sure to secure the airstrip.
Get over there!
I'm on my way! Quick! Get them before they fire off any flares! They hit the cliff! Oh, shit. Funny. We got lucky with that one. Just be more careful when we get to the pub.
Some adrenaline here somewhere. Over there! Move!
I'll be right there.
Hey, you hear me?
Look what you've done! You always fuck up, Kane! Always!
Too much adrenaline will fucking kill you.
This way.
Come on! Move!
I'm on my way. They keep the flares in the hut. You brought your push dagger, King?
I'm getting too old for this sneaking up on people.
Well, you can't kill them all with one shot, either.
Okay. Just keep low.
Make sure I don't get shot.
Get over here.
Sure thing.
They're over there!
Stop it, you're freaking me out.
Take them down!
the perimeter.
On my way.
Don't get shot. I'm hit. Socorro! Auxilio!
Let's go.
I'm hit.
I'm on my way.
Socorro! Auxilio! Socorro! Auxilio! Be right there!
Kane, you fucking goblin! We need backup now!
Stay the fucking cover. This shit can kill you too.
I'm hit! Socorro! Auxilio!
Come on, move it!
For fuck's sake!
Come on, move!
Stop pushing me around!
Cover the area.
Sure thing.
What the fuck are they doing?
Area for more poppy fields.
Move to position.
Just make sure I don't get shot.
Check the... Stay close. Get over here.
Okay, I'm not deaf. Great, the bridge is up. Don't worry, this gorge is the only place we can rappel into the valley.
Over here, Kane.
This way. Over here.
Sure thing.
I need you to come over here.
We'll have to take them by surprise. We can't let them get away. The hacienda is too close.
Got some...
You need more? I got it.
Here you go.
Don't let them get away. We have to kill them all.
Leave me.
I'm down. Help me.
You're not getting away.
I'm hit bad. There's some adrenaline somewhere.
Follow me.
Sure thing.
I still think this is stupid.
We're gonna have this discussion again.
It just doesn't feel right, and you know it.
Quiet. We should be on the other side.
Who?
Dad, what the fuck are you talking about?
Calm down.
Carlos contacted some friends before we left. They should be waiting for us on the other side.
I bet they are. Kane, are you stupid? Lynch, these men are loyal to both Carlos and me. Loyal? Is that even a real word to you?
Hang on.
You don't know what you're talking about, so shut up. We need all the help we can get.
Socorro!